Okay, so, making a quick vlog, not sure why exactly. Oh, that's right, that's exactly why. Because I've hit an insanity point, officially. I've studied so much that my brain is, I'm processing so much, bleh. I am processing so fast that right now I can't actually speak as fast as I'm thinking, and I'm messing up what I say. Probably because I'm talking on camera, I wasn't doing this earlier. Anyway, let's see, what do I want to talk about? Quick points. Finals, almost done. Friday. It's my last final. Not Friday as in tomorrow, Friday as in Friday of finals week at Purdue. Let's see, Coca-Cola pyramids. That's what I'm making right now. White cans. The white Coca-Cola cans, it's interesting because it's the top of a pyramid. I can pretend it's a mountain, snow-capped mountains, white, therefore white cans. Let's see, I've got a shield, I've got books. Ugh, this is actually going to be interesting because nobody's seen this side of me. Lights. I need to figure out how those lights work. We've got lights in our room. I don't know if you can see. There you go. Bicycle lights on the ceiling. Colored lights around. There's more outside. Some on the door. See, some on the window too, but those only work occasionally. There's a strand of lights up there that doesn't work. I need to figure out why. Probably one of the bulbs. I need to change the bulbs. Problem is, we can't figure out which bulb because bulbs are running in parallel, which means the only way I can see right now is to test each individual bulb and figure out exactly which one is not working, and that's time consuming. Also, I don't think I want to do that. Simply because it's crazy and it's going to take too long. I'm not sure if I have the attention span for it right now. Let's see what else. Blogs. Stop blogging again. No, I shouldn't. I don't know why. I don't know why I said that. 5:41. That's the time right now. I've got to eat dinner. Eat dinner at 6:15. That's 20 minutes away. 25 minutes? No. 20 minutes. 19 minutes. 19 plus 15. 35. 34. 34. Wow, that was incredibly slow. See, my brain processing information really fast. I don't mean it's actually doing anything well. I just mean that it's bubbling with ideas and I can't actually hold on to any one for any period of time. That math calculation is going to be way too long because I couldn't focus on it. So thinking of something else at the same time. Rings. I don't know why I keep those Green Lantern rings, actually. I haven't worn one in a while. Guns on campus. Guns. Not a good idea. I don't like people. I mean, I don't like people. I don't like guns. No, I like guns. I don't like people. I don't trust them. People with guns, bad idea. I'd have to get a gun myself. And even then, it's still a bad idea. Speaking of self-defense. I need to learn karate. Jiu-jitsu, maybe. I don't know. Not karate. I need to learn some sort of self-defense. Probably judo. Judo's good for small people. Punching, boxing. I can't box. It's not a good idea. Okay. Alright. I should stop. Just focus. Okay. I think I'm done. That worked.